Hi, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here at this property here to do a quote for this deck, and there's a few different ways you can go about getting this deck clean. You get rid of the mold, the mildew, the algae. So there's a few different products. One of them that we like to use is a bicarbonate-based bleach type cleaner, similar to OxiClean. We get that on the wood fibers, let it dwell, and once that cleaner has done its work, we're going to do a high volume of fresh water rinse, not just a high pressure. A lot of times you can blast away at something with a pressure washer and it looks better, but with our process, with our cleaning detergents and chemicals that we like to use that are safe for the pets, plants, and the environment, stuff will stay cleaner longer, because when you hire a professional to do the work, it's going to last longer. And then after that, what we like to do is apply a deck brightener. It's like an oxalic acid, and that actually changes the pH of the wood fibers. And when we let that dwell, do its work, your deck is going to be ready for any type of stain or sealer that you'd like. We're also going to give a quote for the outdoor window cleaning here at this property. And the way we like to do outdoor window cleaning is with a water-fed pole, and our water goes through a special filter, kind of like when you're at the car wash and they give you that last bit of slow water that drips on your car. And when that water dries, it's spot free because it's free of any minerals and impurities or total dissolved solids, TDS. Our water, when we're scrubbing your windows down, has 0 TDS. And that means that after the windows dry, they're going to be streak free, no soap residue left behind, and they're going to be sparkly clean. So that is the best way to get your windows clean. Now, if we're on the inside, obviously we can't use that fancy, water cleaning method. We don't want to get water all over your house, so we use the squeegees and the mops and the soap and the rags at that point. So we're gonna do a great job on this property here as far as the deck cleaning and the window cleaning. Any questions you have about our service, Multi-Man Services, we're home based here out of Beloit, Wisconsin, and this is all we do is exterior cleaning, home maintenance, and protection. One thing that we could potentially help with is a roof cleaning. If you look on the other side of this of these shingles here, you're starting to see some lichen, some moss starting to develop, and when that starts to develop, we can actually see the shingle granulars start to fall off and end up missing. So we're going to want to go ahead and do a chlorine-based, detergent-based cleaning on this, let it dwell, and you'll see it'll turn like cottage cheese. Man, the bugs are crazy this year. And yellowish, whitish, it'll look kind of worse before it'll need to dry up and let the hard rains rinse that off over the next 2 to 3 months. So my name is Eddie, owner-operator of Multi-Man Services, and feel free to give us a call anytime to schedule your service at 608-999-WASH. Thank you.